on the ones.
Welcome back. Time right now is 6:11 on your Sunday morning, and waking up with definitely a little bit drier than we were yesterday.
A lot drier than we were yesterday. No thunder, no lightning, no rain, at least for our area. Right now.
At least for
quiet.
now.
Yeah. For us, quiet on the radar, but for other neighborhoods, they're seeing some of that rain come down already. So keep the umbrella around for the morning. Second half of the day, we should see slightly better conditions. And by better, I mean just isolated. So not as scattered as what we have going on, not as widespread as yesterday morning. Let's take a look over into Charlotte County. Port Charlotte, we do have some very moderate rainfall rates in the pockets of orange coming down at about an inch per hour. So this is actually moving pretty quickly off in the northeasterly direction to the neighborhood of Harbor Heights, dealing with a pocket of some very heavy rain as well. This is all north of Punta Gorda, so on the other side of the Peace River, but we're still expecting to see a few showers for you as well this morning. But take a look, the motion of it, we have a southwest wind pushing off in the northeasterly direction, so Arcadia, get ready to see some of that rain coming in before sunrise. Now we do have a few more spotty showers off the coast of Captiva there, and this will also continue to work its way onto land, crossing over into Pine Island. If it holds together, Cape Coral, you will also get some of that rain. Earlier, look at that thunderstorm that we did have. Now we're just dealing with some pretty heavy rain associated with this. We're going to keep an eye on that blob because we could again see some very quick spin ups as that comes very close into southern portions of Collier County. So Everglades City to Chokoloskee all the way into Marco Island. We're really going to start to pay attention to that when this continues to work its way in that easterly path. And then now for Naples, look at this offshore, not too far away. This will also work its way onto land over the next 20 minutes or so. So get ready for some very heavy rain in just a short period of time. But here's what we're looking at from yesterday and today. A lot of rain for Southwest Florida. We saw about almost 2 inches for some neighborhoods, other neighborhoods up to 4. So take a look as we get closer to Venice. They saw about 4.5 inches, right around 3 inches for Rotunda. Looking at Port Charlotte to Punta Gorda, 1 inch to even 4 inches there on the other side of the river. So again, very heavy rain at times is what we were dealing with yesterday with all that deep tropical moisture. If you live in the Cape Coral neighborhood, about 3 to 2 inches for you. Even Bukilia, right around 3 inches. Then from downtown Fort Myers all the way into North Fort Myers, about 1 inch to 2.5 inches. So again, we did see a lot of rain in that early morning hours yesterday, and with the deep pockets moving in throughout the afternoon, that gave us all of these rainfall totals. So again, we're still expecting to see a few more areas of some rain for today. We could even see an additional 1 to 2 inches for some neighborhoods. This is all in association with Nestor still as it pushes away. Look at that. Dry, quiet conditions. That's a big area of high pressure all the way in the Gulf of Mexico. So this will continue to push out of the way, kind of just dissipate there. But then we do expect to see another front dipping its way off towards the south, coming close to Florida, but unfortunately, we're not going to see a very big difference with that front as it sits across the state. But for the morning hours, just prepare to see a few scattered showers in the forecast there, even heading into the lunch hour. For the late second half of the day, we should start to see some drier conditions, so just hit or miss activity after 3 o'clock. Overnight, we should see slightly drier conditions as well. But when you wake up early tomorrow morning for your Monday morning commute, just a few spotty showers can't be ruled out, isolated thunderstorm or 2. And then for the afternoon, most of us should stay rather dry with a chance for a few more isolated showers in the mix. So let's go into that 10-day forecast there for you. Again, most of the rain this morning will be scattered for the first half of the morning hours. For the late second half of the afternoon, just isolated rain, a couple of thunderstorms. Again, a storm can be strong at times, so we're going to be on the lookout for that. But by Monday, back into the upper 80s, a few hit or miss showers. Then we start to see a more later trend in the forecast with the rain for Wednesday, scattered for the late second half of the afternoon.